Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change messages tone on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. If you want to hear a different sound when you receive a message, then you want to go to the settings, then scroll down and go to sound and vibration, and over here choose notifications. Now over here you can tap on pre-installed ringtones, which should be over here, and then you want to select notifications. And over here you have the list of notifications over here. These are default notifications that have been added to the device right when you set up your device. So these are default sounds. Of course, you can tap on the notification in order to hear it, to check the preview. And if you like one of these, then what you need to do is simply select the notification sound, and that's all you need to do. If you want to, you can also add your own sound by pressing this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then of course, as long as you have the audio file of your custom notification sound, then you should be able to use it. Over here you can choose audio files, and here you should be able to find your downloaded or uploaded notification sound that you want to use. In my case it is over here, so I want to select it like so on the right side and then press OK. And now I need to select my notification sound over here in my ringtones section. And that's all. This is how we can change our messages tone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.